Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show how olive oil soup made and processing in factory. First I describe the benefits of olive oil soup, then talk about how to make it. So let's start. Made the soup of olive oil, which is one of the most precious miracles of nature since the existence of humanity. Olive oil can be used on food as well as directly applied to hair and skin. It's a soup. On the other hand, it is known for numerous benefits to the skin and hair, as well as being an excellent cleanser. It is beneficial in many areas such as regulating blood pressure and reducing stress, as well as controlling the smoothness of the hair and skin. The Soup Factory Silk Collection olive oil soup is handmade. It contains 100% herbal oils and natural ingredients. It is produced without any heat treatment. In this way, the vitamin and mineral content of the olive oil is perceived. In the West Bank, olive oil soup is created in the method. Pouring it on the ground will make it cool and solidity. The Philistine tradition goes back over 1,000 years. While the West Bank one had nearly 40 soup factories, olive oil soup is company is just one of two still operating. And today is a once thriving industry is struggling to stay afloat. Olive oil soup is made from just 3 ingredients: olive oil, baking soda, and water. The first step is to cook all the 3 ingredients together in a huge stainless steel pot. When it's ready, workers carry out and boiling hot liquid. One bucket at a time, they pour a line of liquid soup onto the floor where it is cooked. Next, they measure out and mark the soup with an outline of the distinctive Nablus bar shape. Workers use hammers to stamp the soup with the olive oil soup company seal. And it took 1 or 2 days just to cut the soup and fill it up. Then it's left for 40 days to dry before it's packaged and sold. While the olive oil soup company carries on this tradition, the soup making industry in the West Bank has thrived. From nearly 40 countries are highest in the 19th century to just 2 working factories in Nablus. Israeli industries restrictions in the West Bank have made exporting soup difficult. Thus, demand for the soup among the Philistines has dropped off. It's because many customers are choosing the soup based on the price rather than quality. Despite the countdown, the olive oil soup company still employs 10% workers and hires up to 10 more contemporary company of employers are needed. Producing Nablus soup is essential to keeping the thousands-year-old tradition alive. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel for informative videos. Thank you.